Algebraic formulas. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or a square plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. A cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole cubed minus 3ab into a plus b. A cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab in plus b square is equal to a minus b whole cubed plus 3ab into a minus b. A plus b whole cubed is equal to a cubed plus 3a square into b plus 3ab square plus b cubed. A minus b whole cubed is equal to a cubed minus 3a square into b plus 3ab square minus b cubed. A plus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. A cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus abc minus bc minus ac.